So is it possible to patent an invention or an idea that is similar to one that's already been patented? What's the legal process for doing so? And is it possible to patent? The answer is yes, it is. And there's a couple of things you want to do. It's good if you know that your invention is basically an improvement of, or sort of the next version of an existing patented product. A patent attorney can help you do a really thorough patent search of what's available publicly. That's probably the best place to start. You've got a brand new type of opener for a water bottle, and you think this is so much better. You can do it underwater. It's not going to open. It's childproof. Whatever it is, that new cap. But it really is specific to that one type of bottle that's already been patented. You can get a patent on it, even though you could not actually legally sell the whole bottle with the new cap without getting a permission from the previous patent holder. So you got to kind of understand your market potential might be limited because your idea is similar, or you're not going to be able to sell your product without the base of the patent that's already out there. Now, you can go and approach them once you've gotten your patent rights and say, I'd like to license this to you. I think this is a great improvement. There's a big market opportunity. And you could then make a royalty deal off of every single product that's sold using your new improvement or idea. But again, it's really going to come down to, is that similar differential, between what's already been done and what your invention is it big enough really to warrant the investment of time and money, hiring counsel, waiting that time and building up a business? Is there much sort of, is the ROI looking good or not, is what I would look at. So
cool.
That'll answer that question.